Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this okra and lamb stew. This lamb stew is from my previous video that I told you guys I'm going to make it with okra. So I'm the type of person that don't like to eat the exact same thing all over and over again. So yeah, I thought I should make it a different way so it can have a different flavor. So guys, if you have leftovers, you don't have to throw in a bin. You can make it differently. You can twist it and just give it a different flavor, which I'm going to be showing you throughout this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell so you can be notified when I post. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so remember the stew that I showed you I think yesterday on the video. So as I said, I'm going to make it with some okra today. I'm making it with some okra. There's no much seasoning needed. I'm just going to use some salt, and I'm going to put a bit of tomato just to mix everything together with oil, and that is it. So the stew that I made, I ate yesterday with rice and it didn't really sit well with me. So today we're going to have it with some semolina fufu, wewe. And of course I'm going to be using some scotch bonnet because this is like, it's in my DNA right now. So yeah guys, anytime that when you cook something and you don't want to eat the same thing more than once, you can mix it up a bit. You know, if you had like grilled chicken, you can make some sauce, mix it all together, you know, like make something different. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing on this video. Okay guys, so I'm the type of person that don't like eating okra when it's slimy. So to minimize the sliminess, what I do is fry it. So yeah, I'm sure you've seen this on almost all my okra videos. So I don't like it slimy. I always fry it to avoid the sliminess. Okay guys, so please learn from my mistakes. So what I basically did is, as you can see, my pot is really small. The mistake that I did was adding everything inside the pot, which I should have done. So I had to separate it so that the sliminess can go properly. It can kind of like disappear. So this way is much better. So if you don't really like slimy okra, so if you're frying them, so basically make sure you have a big enough pot. If you don't, then do it separately. So I've added just a little bit of tomatoes. So now I'm going to add the meat. The reason why it looks like this is because it's been in the fridge. So that is why. So guys, I've added meat. As you can see, I'm just waiting for that to warm up a bit because, as I said, the meat's coming from the fridge. So before I add what do you call it, the okra, because it's soft, I don't want it to be too soft. And here you go guys, I'm serving it with semolina fufu. Guys, I've been longing to eat this food for a long time, you know, and I can't wait to eat. But yeah, I thought I should share with you guys this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So I'll speak to you guys on my next one, and then I'll have a recipe on how I actually made the the lamb stew so you can know how I make this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.